and you're automating the process so that you can eventually take yourself out of the equation and that income can be made passive.
If you're looking for ways to build a side hustle that doesn't drain your time and energy, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to dive into real passive income strategies that you can start today. Whether you've got capital to invest or just a bit of time and creativity, there's something here for you. And to make things even more exciting, we're going to explore the story of Nischa, a true success story who turned simple, everyday strategies into a multi-million-dollar empire. If she can do it, so can you. So grab a pen and paper because we've got some game-changing ideas coming your way. Let's get started. Selling digital products is a fantastic way to generate ongoing revenue. If you have a talent for design, writing, or creating templates, you can create and sell ebooks, printable, templates, or even digital art. The upfront work may take time, but once those products are out there, they're out there forever. Once created, your costs to sell digital products are extremely low, but the revenue potential is high. Think about it. Once you've created a product, you can sell it endlessly, without worrying about inventory or shipping. You don't need a huge following to get started. What really counts is having a powerful marketing plan in place. Focus on products that cater to a specific need, and the passive income will follow. Let's keep the energy high as we move to the next strategy. Affiliate marketing is one of the quickest ways to start earning passive income, but it does require some upfront effort. The concept is simple. You promote other people's products, and when someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's easy to get started with affiliate marketing, especially if you have an existing blog, website, or social media following. The hard part? Building an audience. If you can't drive traffic to your affiliate links, you won't earn much. But once you do, it becomes a long-term passive income stream. It's not always immediate, but over time, with the right audience building tactics, affiliate marketing can generate substantial income. Now let's talk about online courses. This one is a game changer for anyone with expertise in a specific field. If you can teach something valuable, you can create a course that provides scalable income. Of course, if you create an online course, you still need to update content occasionally or market your course, but the core work is done. The secret is finding your niche, something people are eager to learn and willing to pay for, and building an evergreen course around it. I've seen people generate thousands of dollars from a single course, and when you have multiple courses, that's when the income gets really interesting. Now, I highly recommend checking out this video right here to know Nischa's personal journey, the challenges she faced, and the exact steps she took to build her wealth.